What's up guys, Internet Income Ninja here. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and for watching it all the way to the end. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share it with everyone you know, especially if they are in the coding sphere of things. Um, there's a company called Chameleon, and they are looking for a Rails engineer. They want you to work full-time at back-end programming from anywhere in the world. So if you're someone who loves to travel, you want to see Southeast Asia, you want to see South America, you want to see the Middle East, you can be working from wherever. Now there are some specific places that they are targeting. They are targeting some specific countries, but this will definitely interest you. What's also interesting are all the links in the description below. They take you to some amazing products, free books, free literature, free videos that you can watch and learn from, and potentially carve out a very profitable future for you and yours. So don't ignore the links in the description, click those, and thanks again for watching all the way to the end. Now, the owners of Chameleon said that they started Chameleon after being frustrated at poor user onboarding and feeling required to speak with sales before we could start using new products. As engineers, we want to solve the hardest problems and apply our creativity to design beautiful software. It's tedious to build and maintain tooltips or banners, so we built Chameleon to let the product people handle that independently, while letting engineers focus on the core value proposition a product provides. Now this approach has resonated and we now have a great product, happy customers, and traction. We are looking for a Ruby on Rails engineer who thrives in a startup environment, is passionate about building great software, and enjoys a wide variety of problems. Now, if you enjoy problems, good. If you enjoy Ruby on Rails coding problems, even better. Chameleon is a layer between so this is them talking about why they want someone for this role. Chameleon is a layer between our customers' web applications and their users. This means that the software we build is for our thousands of customers and their millions of end users. Okay? As we gain more customers and they ask our software to handle an increasing amount of work, we have to continue to improve all aspects of Chameleon. The way web apps are built is changing rapidly. User experience patterns are getting smarter, organizations are embracing the product-led movement, and good onboarding is a differentiator. We still have a lot more building to better enable software around the world as it becomes more self-serve. That includes better handle the scale and volume of data we receive, continue to improve on page performance while adding more complexity, enhance the functionality and the user experience of the existing product to make it more accessible to brand new customers and non-technical users. Build out brand new products that help our customers more successfully engage their users. Build workflows to support larger teams, example, roles or permissions, and more usage. A team having hundreds of campaigns within Chameleon. Okay? So you will be a key member of our engineering team and enable us to improve our product velocity. This includes enhancing the underlying architecture to support growth while collaborating with the wider team to more quickly deliver front-end functionality. Now specifically, these are the things you will do. You will be working primarily in Rails back-end applications that directly handle 100 plus million requests per day. 100 plus million. Oh my good. And that's requests per day. Now, key activities we expect you to do or to be doing daily include create external and internal APIs, build and maintain data import or manipulation pipelines, analyze data to make better predictions, create alerts for key flows, work to maintain our 99.99% uptime, write testable, well-documented code, pull and pull data to adjacent tools, analytics providers, data warehouse, that's what they mean, pull and pull data to adjacent tools. And lastly, keep our platform secure and reliable. Now, in order to do so, they want you to have the following skills and experience: 2+ years working as a backend or full stack engineer in Rails, 2+ years of startup experience in full-time remote work, fluency with our stack, so that's Rails, MongoDB, Redis, Sidekick, experience writing tests first, so RSpec, etc., independent and self-motivated mindset, proactive in finding solutions while able to structure your own work. Now, other requirements: you have a fully functioning workspace and a quiet place to focus and take calls with a high-speed internet connection, and you'll have budget for additions to your home office setup. So they'll provide a budget for beefing up your home office, okay? You are in an Americas or European time zone, okay? That is, or i.e., based in Canada. I think that flag is the Mexican flag. That's Brazil. I'm not sure what that red and white one is, to be honest. Britain. I think that blue and white one is that Ecuador? I'm not sure. And then, yeah, I don't know what those other flags are. But if you are from one of these countries, then you're eligible. So Americas and European time zone. Okay. I think this is, yeah. Is this the Spanish? Is this one the Spanish flag? This one here? Look, if you are a travel buff or geography major, or you're watching from one of these countries, rep your flag. Let me know where you're from, okay? Alright, I guess that solves that. So let me know in the comment section where you're from and if any of these flags actually match your country. Now, this is your full-time job, no other part-time roles. Fluency, written and verbal, they want English speakers, English writers, English fluency. Now, to find out more about their product, team culture, vision, and benefits in their jobs page, you can click this link. Okay. Chameleons are all different and uniquely beautiful. Basically, they don't discriminate because everybody's beautiful. So regardless of your background, your culture, your language, your experiences, preferences, and characteristics, they don't label anybody specifically. So they just want to know that you're qualified, you can do the job. That's what they pay you to do. That's what they're interested in, nothing else. Now, if it does interest you, hit this button that says apply for this position. And when you hit that button and the page pops up, enter the information that they ask you for, submit, and look for communication from this company, Chameleon. Okay. That's it. Thank you for making it to the end. I really appreciate you. Hopefully you're a Ruby on Rails engineer and you can find value in this video and in this opportunity. The link to this page will be in the description below, right where it says about the lead. But don't bypass all the other links. Check them out, glance over it, and if it's something that grabs you, click it, learn more, and have great success. Again, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. It's free. Liking the video, sharing the video, commenting on the video, they're all free, and it takes just a fraction of a minute, all those things together. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.